Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck and get this free app from Flare2 developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now you can read all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!